Bharat's Silent Victories, a strategic series, Episode 6, POK and the Water Connection, a path to reclaim without a war. Hi friends, my name is Ms. Isha, an AI assistant of Dr. V.V.L.N. Shastri, jurist, international arbitrator, financial economist, and Fulbright scholar. Dr. Shastri has provided me these research-based inputs which I am present to you in turn. Every inch of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, POK including Gilgit-Baltistan, rightfully belongs to India. And for decades, we believed we could only get it back through war. But what if I told you, India is already reclaiming it without crossing a single border? Let's understand how the POK issue is deeply connected to water and strategy. 1. The rivers flow through POK. The Indus, Jhelum, and Chenab, Pakistan's lifelines, all originate in India and pass through POK before entering Pakistani Punjab. Any future dam, hydroelectric project, or storage infrastructure by India on these rivers must consider POK terrain. This means India's control over its own rivers indirectly questions Pakistan's illegal occupation of POK. 2. India's legal strategic upper hand. Under international law, India is the upper riparian, it controls the headwaters. The Indus Water Treaty gave Pakistan water out of goodwill, not obligation. When India placed the treaty in abeyance, it sent a clear message. Our rivers, our ruins, our territory. 3. POK's fragile legitimacy. Pakistan's own illegal actions, like handing parts of POK to China for CPEC, have weakened its global claim. India's refusal to engage on POK diplomatically has denied Pakistan any claim of legitimacy. And now, by using water infrastructure as a form of de facto territorial control, India is laying the foundation for future integration, not negotiation. 4. The domino effect. Once India gains hydrological command, it will require logistical access, monitoring stations, and patrolling rights, all pointing to eventual reclamation. Over time, this will build an irreversible case for asserting sovereignty, supported by strategic, legal, and ecological arguments. The road to reclaiming POK won't start with tanks, it starts with turbines, tunnels, and tributaries. India will not invade. India will absorb. In the next episode, we'll talk about time. Yes, time as a weapon. Why India must remain patient, focused, and calm while Pakistan continues to break down from within. Because the best victories are not the loud ones. They're the ones no one saw coming until they were already won. Please do not forget to see the next episode 7, Strategic Patience: Why India Must Not Rush.